fuses on it.
I know.
It's for a Ford.
A Ford?
Yeah.
What the heck? Someone got mad at someone and chucked this in the water probably. Good find, Kyle. Yeah. So today I'm in the Menominee Marina, Menominee, Michigan. Most of the boats are out. I've got a boat leaving right now. Nice boat over here. I'm just waiting for them to get out so I'm not in their way. And we're gonna go find some stuff in the water today. Special guest today, Kyle Matz. Yeah. Degrees.
Thank you, Ed, for what you doing.
Yeah, no problem. I love it. It's not as bad as last year. Glad to see you showed up.
I'm glad you started without me.
Hey, I gotta exercise, man. I know.
It's for a Ford.
A Ford?
Yeah.
What the heck? Someone got mad at someone and chucked this in the water probably. Whoa.
Yeah.
Good find, Kyle. Yeah. Sweet. You gonna put that on your trophy shelf?
Yeah.
Heck yeah. Lightsaber, baby! A lightsaber's gotta be funner than finding a gun. I'll tell you that. That's pretty cool. Oh, wow. Look at this. You stuck in the gate. Hook them on your hook. You can't pull them up there. You think you can pull them up? Don't pull until I tell you to. Okay, go ahead and pull. You gotta reel them up. You got a salmon. Woohoo! Here. I'll bring it over here.
He was probably trying to get over there, but I bet he got stuck. I'll just try to.
Here we go. Can you get the hook out?
Yeah.
All right. All right, see you later. Hey, you guys are missing all the fish. Oh, that thing stinks. Is that how you're supposed to walk on land?
Yeah.
Look at that big old slab. Wow, that'd be fun catching. There's something coming out of here. Yuck.